name is Dihya Nur Zakiyyah. I am from 12 Science 1 and today I'm with my partner.
Hello, my name is Faizah Aulia Azzahra. I am from 12 Science 1. So, in this video, we will like to explain how to make a black fire snake. But before we start the experiment, do you guys know what is a black fire snake? A black fire snake, also referred to as a black snake or sugar snake, is a classic science experiment you can do right in your own kitchen using a baking soda and sugar mixtures and a fuel to ignite the reaction. This food-based chemistry experiment is not to be confused with the carbon snake, which uses concentrated sulfuric acid instead of baking soda. In either case, don't eat the resulting snake and only touch it once it has cooled completely. To make your own black fire snake at home, you will need 40 grams of powdered sugar, 10 grams of baking soda, a bowl of sand, and some type of gasoline or other fuel. And for the tools, we need a spoon to mix the powders, a toothpick, and a lighter. If the materials and the tools have been prepared, we can start from the first step. First, mix 10 grams of baking soda with 40 grams of powdered sugar. Second, moist the sand with pouring the gasoline on it.
Step number 3. Spoon your sugar and baking soda mix into the center of the mound. Last, carefully burn the sand near the sugar mixture. And watch, the sugar and baking soda mix will begin to bubble and turn black. As this mixture burns, watch as your snake begins to grow and take shape. It's a slow process, so be patient. A snake will begin to form after a couple minutes and can continue to burn for over 20 minutes. That's it, so you have already made the black fire snake. If you are curious about what is going on, your black fire snake is the product of the 3 chemical reactions that are all depend on heat. The sand in this experiment doesn't chemically react with anything in the growing snake. Instead, it evenly distributes the heat from the burning gasoline to the sugar and the baking soda, ensuring a slow, steady burn and the growth of a long carbon sugar snake. When the mixtured powders burns, the baking soda gets hot and it decomposes the released carbon dioxide gas. A lack of oxygen in the sugar from the combustion creates carbonate and water vapor. The pressure from the COO gas pushes this carbonate out to form snake, which should continue growing for 20 minutes. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching.